All right, man, Lockout.
Yep.
All right, what's your name?
Randall.
All right, Randall, I need you to come over to the truck and sign off on this lockout.
All right.
All right, man, my computer's a touch screen. You touch it with the base of your finger. When you touch the screen, just touch and sign, just like that. Put your initials right there, signed by the Edson. Today's the 12th.
Actually really cool.
All right. All right, man.
You were gonna say.
Oh, is it really? Because one guy was like, yeah, I was just totally going to buy that when he first got it. And I'm like,
It looks cool. Because the neck is, I don't know, for me the neck is way too open. The things that actually fit around my neck. For me?
Everybody knows the sign of the Misfits.
I listen to the Misfits. I listen to most of the 50s, 60s like remakes. They did Lollipop. The song styles like Lollipop. You know, like the boat. They did Sandman. Have you ever played a game called Subs to Zombies? A lot of the songs are on Subs. That's how I found them. I was like, cool, and I listened to the other songs. I'm like, oh, they're okay. I mostly listen to the Huh? The Misfits, yes. They did like 50 remakes. Never heard of it before? I can't find them, trust me. I've tried to find them, but... Well, it's not the 50 find all their other albums. I'm looking for like the old school stuff.
There you go, dude.
Thank you.
All right,
how
man.
did you do this? Are you magical?
No. I wish.
Sweet.
But, no. All right, guys. Y'all take it easy. Thank you.
No, thank
All right.
you.
All right, now y'all take it easy, all right?